oh my God, I had to come and see for myself all this love. Thank you so much from the entire team of Toxic. This is just so beautiful to see this kind of love and reception. Um, I don't know, today as we sit over here, I am really missing our director, the captain of our ship, Geetu. I wish she was here, but of course she has very important film-related responsibilities to finish. But I keep thinking about that time when she first approached me for this part, and I did not know at that moment that I was going to be part of history. So, and really, I'm getting goose flesh as I say this, and some members of my team are sitting over there. So, Dev Garu, Akshay Garu, Vishal Garu, of course, with your spectacular music, Rukmani Garu, Kiara Garu, and of course, Venkat sir. It's really been a beautiful experience, and I'm just so happy to be part of this amazing film. Yash, of course, thank you. Thank you for making this film, and thank you for really having the vision and the guts to be changing cinema for everyone. Like, this is a film I do believe from the bottom of my heart will be remembered for a very long time. And I think all of us have had this amazing experience, and I know all of you guys are going to witness this. So, thank you so much.
Thank you. And we have a few questions for you. So what was it so exciting about the character of Elizabeth that made you say yes to this film?
Have you seen the trailer?
Of course.
Have you guys seen the trailer? Huh? Do you love the trailer? Trust me, you have to see the film now. It will blow you away. I am a small part of this film. But when I saw some bits of the film, I could not believe what we have created. And my character, I wish I could tell you more, but there is a reason why they have decided not to reveal too much about my character, because I believe it's an experience you all need to see in the cinemas. So are you going to go watch Toxic in the theaters?
Of course. And what do you think would be most exciting for the Telugu audience, especially about Toxic?
Everything. What do you think will be the most exciting thing?
Anta, Anni, everything. Everything.
I feel the fact that we're here, and of course Dil Raju sir and the entire the team, and this is the kind of response we have got from the Telugu audiences has forced us to come here and to really come and say thank you for the lovely reception. And I really feel, this is a kind of an experience which is meant for the big screen, and it's an experience that's going to stay with you all for a very long time.
Yes, Huma Garu, and our Telugu audience are just amazing. You know, it rained. It was, they were all waiting, but still nobody has gone. Everybody is sitting here. Everybody wants to hear all your speeches.
After coming here, I just want to say one thing. Sorry to interrupt. I feel very sad that I have not done a Telugu movie. And we have to change that now. Yes, and I'm going to change that very soon.
We'll change it right away. Dilraj garu, మీరు వింటున్నారా లేదా? ఇప్పటివరకు హుమా ఒక తెలుగు సినిమా చేయలేదని చెప్పి. Yes, he's listened to it. I'll see you in the next Telugu movie pre-release event.
Done. It's a date.
Thank you so much and wishing you super success.
Thank you so much, you all, and see you in the cinemas. Thank you.
Thank you, Huma garu. Thank you. Yes. And generally ఏంటంటే film stars